Want to change your 3D view in Blender? Here's how to adjust it. First, use the numpad keys to switch between different views. Press numpad 1 for front view, numpad 3 for side view, and numpad 7 for top view. To switch to camera view, press numpad 0. You can also hold Shift plus middle mouse button to freely navigate around the scene. To lock a view to your camera, press Ctrl plus Alt plus 0. This aligns the camera to your current view, making it easier to set up shots. If you are having trouble navigating, try adjusting the zoom or clip start or end settings in the View tab for better control. How do you prefer to work in your views? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.